The attributed source confirmed na fake news po ito at hindi galing sa kanila. The fact is, the drop wasn't 12%. You may confirm this with the Philippine Stock Exchange or your favorite stockbroker. Lahat po yan, alam nila. Public knowledge po lahat ng index po natin. And I have personally confirmed this with the PSE, President, and the top brokers in the stock market.